How to fix Facebook dating not showing up. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the profile menu at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Help and Support, then go to the Help Center. In the search bar, type Facebook dating requirements. From the results, tap on Who can use Facebook dating and make sure you meet all the key conditions. You need to be at least 18 years old. Your Facebook account must be at least 30 days old, in good standing, and you must live in a country where Facebook dating is available. Also note, if you deleted your dating profile, you won't be able to create a new one for 7 days. To check if your country supports it, look up the list of available countries in the Facebook Help Center. If your country isn't listed, that means Facebook dating isn't available in your region just yet. Now go back to your Facebook profile menu. If you see a See More button, tap it. Sometimes the dating shortcut is hidden there. If it's still not visible, you might need to unhide the dating feature. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings. Under the Preferences section, tap on Tab Bar, then select Customize the bar. Check if dating is marked as hidden. If it is, tap to unhide it and pin it to your main menu. Still not showing? Then it could be a small bug or glitch. If you're using an iPhone, press and hold the Facebook app, then tap Remove App and confirm by tapping Delete App. Head to the App Store, search for Facebook, and reinstall it. For Android, uninstall Facebook from your device and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. And that's how you fix Facebook dating not showing up on your app.